Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into Snapchat. In order to log into Snapchat, you'll first need a Snapchat account. Make sure you've downloaded Snapchat application on your device, and if you've not yet, go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Snapchat. Once you download the application, simply tap it open. If you already have an account yet, you can go and tap on the login button at the bottom left corner and simply log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, tap on sign up at the bottom right and create a new account first. Once you have an account, you can tap on log in, and what you'll need to do next is that enter your username or your email associated with your Snapchat account. Now, if you want to use your phone number instead, then you can tap on Use Phone Number Instead option and log into your account with your phone number. On the next field, enter the password for your account. If you want to double check your password before moving on, tap on this eye icon so that you can reveal your password. In case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on Forgot Your Password and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done entering all the credentials correct, tap on Log In. Soon after you do that, tap on Turn On button in order to allow Snapchat to access to your camera and local storage to take photos, videos, and more. From the pop-up, select Allow, and there you go. You've ended up in the camera screen of Snapchat, and this is your profile. That is how you can log into your Snapchat account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.